How to fix C drive being full and showing red issue in your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix your C drive being full and showing red. So it looks something like this, where your local disk or your C drive is basically full, almost full, and you see this red bar that shows how much space you have left or how much you have consumed. So before we begin fixing this, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So as the problem suggests, your local disk or your C drive is almost full. So there are few fixes. You can basically add more storage. You can add an external storage device to back up some of your data from here and clean out this space. Or what you can do is you can simply clean out all the unnecessary stuff that you have on this PC. To do that, you can go through many methods. First, what you can do is you can search for disk cleanup. So head over to the search bar and search for disk cleanup. After you search for that, select your C drive from here, then tap on OK. It should start calculating and scanning, and it'll show you how much space it can clear out for you. And you can tap on OK and clean up the space. After that, you can also remove all the unnecessary apps that you have. So that should fix out some space as well. Also check your recycle bin, and after you're on your recycle bin, what you can do is you can simply empty it out. And it's pretty simple. All you have to do is tap on empty recycle bin and tap on yes. Doing that should begin the deletion process, and you can similarly delete all the temporary data, all the temporary cache that you have, all the unnecessary folders. Delete those, come back to your recycle bin, and then delete it. Sometimes what happens is you delete all of your stuff, but it gets stored in your recycle bin. And doing that, it will just keep on, yeah, getting stored, and more space will be consumed. So after that, you can head over to your this PC option, and then you can see some storage being cleaned out. And that's it for today. Thank you.